Hey guys, and welcome to Deep Space. In this video I'm gonna show you how to join or concatenate strings as variables. So let's begin. So let's create a variable called an adjective and set its value to something maybe boring, and another variable my string and set its value to coding or programming. Now my str, we can use the compound assignment, which is plus equals to and an adjective. And let's log to the console my str. Programming is boring. We don't have a space because we should actually add here. Programming is boring. So that was concatenating strings as variables. Up here they were individual strings, and down here we have combined them as variables. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.